got 100 crates.
100.
100.
Oh. 2018 medic case. Let's fucking go. What the?
So
What?
I bought the good one.
Good.
I'm gonna let them know if I freak out. Don't worry about it. What the fuck are you doing? Can you do that for me?
Okay. Yes, I will. I will. But if we get brown bomber, is brown bomber in this? Okay. Yo! Are you kidding me? First fucking case!
The first.
Are you kidding me?
Fucking one. The first one we get a fucking unusual filter. The first fucking case. I thought it was gonna be at least 20 cases until we get an unusual. Holy fuck!
What the fuck? I was not expecting that.
Fuck, man, I got a noise complaint. Hey. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Have you ever heard of Glitch Energy? Well, it's a good energy drink company. If you head on over to glitchenergy.com and pick something out and use code CHAOS, you'll get 10% off and support what I do so I can keep doing it. So that's glitchenergy.com and code CHAOS.
Do it right now, or I will eat your whole family and all of your kids.
We keep on getting these fucking glasses. What the fuck?
Fuck away from us! I don't know how many.
Oh my Jesus fucking Christ. Can you get the hair things in this?
I don't think so. Oh my
Can you get the mustache or the hands? Oh, it's open on itself, I think.
What we get?
I don't fucking know. Our committees?
3, 4, 5, 6.
We have too many.
9. We have 9 fucking birds and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 glasses. Alright, we'll stop getting glasses, by the way.
We have not. Yeah. Okay, of course it's glasses.
Look at all this
Why can't they stack?
Because that would be fucking overpowered.
I wish they could. Coolest backpack I've ever seen. I don't know. I do not know what that is. No!
Let's fucking go! We got something you wanted. We got something you wanted.
It's the thing I wanted. That's what I guess. Oh shit.
Mamma, ma tar du ansiktet nå? Ok, da ses vi i morgen. Ja, bye.
Last case, I think, right? Fuck!
Oh yeah, we were these.
Yes, let's do them now. Exactly. What the fuck? Why did you come here? This bird. God, bro. Are you actually gonna buy it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's $5
Do you want it? I know they fucking scam you with this. Where is the fucking hat I want from backpack.tf?
You ready?
Yes. Let's see which effect it has.
Ha! All right.
That's so fucking cool.
That's fucking badass.
Holy shit.
Right.
Thank you all for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.